Hello friends, welcome to Daring Marina YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about dye penetrant test or liquid penetrant test. Okay, let's discuss about this topic in detail. This is one of the part of non-destructive testing. So this method is used to detect flows that are open to surface such as cracks, porosity and shuts. So liquid penetrant test or dye penetrant test are used to open surface such as crack, porosity and shut. Okay, so if you can see porosity, cracks and shuts and all. Okay, cold shuts. Okay, dye penetrant test. This can be effectively used in inspection for ferrous and especially non-ferrous metal, and especially non-ferrous metal such as plastic, glass and ceramics. This is also used to test the weld work. Okay, dye penetrant test can be effectively used in inspection of ferrous and especially non-ferrous metals such as plastic, glass and ceramics. This is also used to test the weld works. Okay, here we can see ferrous material, that is non-ferrous material also we can use plastic, glass, ceramics etc. Okay, this specimen which is to be inspected is chemically cleaned first to remove the dirt and other foreign particles. So the chemical or sorry specimen which is to be inspected, we have to chemically clean first to remove the dirt and foreign particles. Okay, we have to remove for inspection of dirt and foreign particles. Then next the penetrant, which is very fine thin oil, usually dyed bright red or ultraviolet fluorescent is applied to remain contact with the surface photon. So the next the penetrant which is very fine, very thin oil, usually dyed bright red or ultraviolet fluorescent is applied, allowed to remain contact with the surface for almost a 10 minutes. Okay, here we can see time for a 10 minutes. Dyed penetrant will be placed. Okay, so during this period capillary action draws the penetrant into the crack. So due to the capillary action, the penetrant will penetrate into the crack. Okay, the surplus penetrant on the surface of the removed is removed completely and thin coating of powder chalk is applied. Okay, the surface penetrant on surface is removed completely and thin coating of the powder chalk is applied. We have to understand that the surface penetrant on surface is removed completely and thin coat of the powder chalk is applied. After certain minutes of chalk draws the dye out of the crack to form visible indication of flows commonly known as bleed out. After certain minutes, the chalk will draw out dye out of the crack to form visible indication of flows commonly known as bleed out. Okay, after some minutes, the chalk will draw out dye of the crack to form visible indication of flows commonly known as bleed out. Okay, here we can see after 10 minutes and all, we can say the cracks will be visible. So we will call this as a bleed out phenomenon. Okay, the inspector will carry out the inspection after 3 to 5 minutes of the development of time using ultraviolet radiation. So after this inspection of the inspector will carry out inspection after 3 to 5 minutes of development of this developer time. So this bleed out time to carry out ultraviolet radiation. Thank you.